Hi, today we're going to talk about payment receipts and we're going to understand how we can create payment receipts completely on automation. As you can see, this is a sample payment receipt file which I have created in a Google document, and corresponding to this template, I also have a Notion database which has a payment receipt information. What we'll be doing today is we'll be generating a PDF file one by one for every row of this Notion database with the help of the information that we have over here and with the corresponding payment receipt template file which we have created in this Google document. So we'll take help of this Google document and we'll take help of this Notion database, and we'll create an automation system where we can create three PDF files for each of the rows of this Notion database using the template and the database. How exactly will this work? First of all, we need to head over to PDFOutput.com. This is the website which will help us create the entire automation process. Click on sign in and make sure click on continue with Google over here and choose the particular account which you're going to use for this setup. Click on continue and make sure you enable on this checkbox, which is very much crucial for the entire automation setup to work. So this must be enabled for your use case. Click on continue, and now you will land up on this page where you need to add the Notion database. Click on add Notion database and click on connect to Notion. So let's copy the database title from here, which will be used for setting up the automation. So let me copy the entire title. Go back here and click on select pages and just put the title inside the search box. You will be able to see the database showing over here. Click on this and it gets added, which you can see over here. Click on allow access and it will now give access to the database which we are going to use. So let's wait for a few seconds as the database is getting added up over here. So if you're not able to see the same, just refresh it once and you will be able to see the database coming up over here properly. So you can see the payment receipt database showing over here. Click on this and click on next. It's time to add the Google document. So we have the sample Google document. So what I'll do is I'll just copy the name of this Google document over here. I'll go back to PDF output and click on add Google document. Click on select Google document and simply put the document title inside this document field. So I will just paste the document title and I'll search for it. And you can see the document title showing here. Click on this and click on select. So now the document is loaded up. We are one step away from generating the PDFs. What we need to do is we need to map the field of the Notion properties that you see on the right side onto the Google document on the left side. Okay. So first is I need a receipt number. So I'll just search for any receipt number field that I have over here, which I already see receipt number. So click on this copy so that it copies that property. Go back to the mapping section and just use Control V or Command V to paste it. So I've just simply copied and pasted. Let's see date property. So click to copy, again use Control V or Command V to paste it. Okay, then I have time, so just click to copy and Control V or Command V to paste it. So I'm just going to map these three properties. You can obviously map all the properties from top till the bottom. And now let's generate the PDFs. So click on download PDF, go with the settings that you want to choose, and I will just select the receipt number as my reference column, which I'll be using to name the PDF file. Click on start. Now it will generate me three PDF files corresponding to this database that we have over here. So you can see the first PDF file is already out. Let's wait for the other two files to be generated and then we can see the files in one glance. So all the three files have been created. Let's go to the downloads folder once and check how the output is. So first is receipt number one. So you can see it has correctly mapped the receipt number, the date field, the time field properly. And since we didn't map the other fields, it is already empty. Let's go with the second receipt. This is also properly mapped. Let's go with the final receipt, and this is also properly mapped. So we have got three receipts which was created quickly using the Notion database with the help of the Google document that we have added over here. So just add the database, add the document, map the fields and generate the PDF. This is how simple it is. If you have any questions, reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, or you can use this chat window at the bottom to send me a message. I'll be happy to take up issues on this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.